Tip 1. First, prepare 100 milliliters of white vinegar and 100 milliliters of filtered water. Then pour them together into a deep dish. Use a fork to stir the vinegar and water together. Crack 2 eggs into the bowl, placing each egg in a separate corner so the whites don't touch each other. Soak the eggs for 10 minutes. The vinegar helps coagulate the protein in the egg whites, causing them to gather around the yolk instead of spreading out when poached. While waiting, prepare a pot of gently simmering water at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Do not let the water boil vigorously, as large bubbles will break the eggs. When the water is stable, use a spoon to scoop each egg from the bowl and place it gently into the pot. Spread them out in the pot so they don't touch each other as they cook. Keep the heat low so the water is just simmering. Poach the eggs for 3 to 4 minutes so the whites are set nicely and the yolks are still soft and runny when cut. If you want firmer yolks, increase the time to 5 to 6 minutes. The finished product is perfectly round poached eggs with whites that cling to the yolks without breaking or spreading. Tip 2. Peel boiled eggs with wide adhesive tape. First, boil 2 eggs in a pot of water. When the eggs are cooked, remove them and let them cool naturally, or rinse them under cold water to help the shells cool faster. Repair a piece of wide adhesive tape, long enough to wrap around the entire egg. Place the egg on the edge of the tape and roll it up so that the tape hugs the surface of the shell. Use scissors to cut the tape to secure it into a tight circle. At this point, the entire eggshell is neatly enclosed within the tape. Place the wrapped egg on the table and roll it back and forth with the palm of your hand. The gentle, even rolling force cracks the shell into large pieces without deforming the egg inside. Once the shell is completely cracked, remove the tape and the shell pieces will come off cleanly without crumbling or sticking to the egg white. The result is a smooth, unblemished egg, perfect for salads, bento boxes, or other dishes that require presentation. This method works well because the tape holds the shell together as a block and distributes the force evenly when rolling, making it easier for the membrane between the shell and the white to separate. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 3. Wrap eggs in aluminum foil to boil evenly and prevent cracking. First, prepare a roll of aluminum foil and cut it into 3 pieces large enough to wrap each egg snugly. Place each egg in the center of a piece of foil and wrap it, ensuring the foil hugs the surface of the shell. This wrapping acts as a heat cushion for the eggs when they encounter boiling water. Once all 3 eggs are wrapped, place them in a pot of water and boil as usual. During cooking, the foil helps the eggs absorb heat slowly and evenly, preventing sudden temperature changes that cause the shells to crack or the whites to spill out. This is especially effective if the eggs have just been taken out of the refrigerator. Once the eggs are cooked, use tongs or a spoon to remove them and peel off the foil. Let the eggs cool slightly before peeling. Thanks to the protective wrapping, the eggshells inside are usually less cracked and broken, retaining their structure, which makes it easier to separate the membrane between the shell and the white. When peeled, the eggshell comes off in large pieces instead of small fragments, keeping the egg surface smooth and intact. This method is ideal when boiling multiple eggs at once, preparing eggs for salads, bento boxes, lunch boxes, or dishes requiring eggs to remain intact and visually appealing. Additionally, this tip helps beginners achieve success when boiling eggs without worrying about them cracking in the pot or damaging their shape after cooking. Tip 4. Make neat poached eggs using plastic wrap. Prepare a piece of plastic wrap and place it inside a small bowl so that the wrap covers the bottom of the bowl and extends over the edges. Brush a thin layer of cooking oil on the plastic wrap to prevent sticking, making it easier to remove the egg after cooking. Crack egg into the bowl lined with plastic wrap. Gather the edges of the wrap and twist them tightly into a small bag, securing it with string or the plastic wrap itself. The egg bag should now be round and sealed. Prepare a pot of water. When the water starts to simmer, place the steamer basket on top to create a stable steam flow. Place the bag of eggs in the steamer basket and cover with the lid. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on desired doneness. Steam for 5 minutes for a soft, slightly runny yolk, or 7 minutes for a firmer yolk. When the eggs are done, remove the pouches and let them cool slightly before opening the plastic wrap to avoid steam burns. The membrane helps the eggs retain their round shape, with the whites hugging the yolks and not spreading when cooked. Tip 5. Freeze the eggs, slice them thinly, and fry them. First, place 3 eggs in the freezer compartment of the refrigerator and leave them overnight. The next day, take them out. At this point, the eggs will be frozen solid like ice, making them very easy to peel without breaking. Peel all 3 eggs thoroughly, then place them on a cutting board and slice them into thin, even slices. Preheat a pan on the stove, then arrange the egg slices in the pan without oil. The eggs already contain fat, so when heated, the surface of the slices will gradually melt, curdle, and turn a light golden brown, creating an appealing aroma. There is no need to flip them over, just fry one side until the egg slices turn golden brown and the edges are slightly crispy. When the eggs are cooked, remove them to a plate. The result is thin, single-sided fried eggs, soft and smooth on top, golden and fragrant on the bottom, with an unusual texture that is quite interesting when eaten with hot rice, instant noodles, or sprinkled with a little salt, pepper, and green onions. 5 simple tips to make egg preparation neater, more visually appealing, and easier to succeed at, especially for those new to the kitchen. Have you tried any of these tips yet? Which one surprised you the most? Leave a comment and share your thoughts. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends to discover more great tips in the kitchen. Bye for now, and see you in the next videos.